First five, both teams. Number 13, Soitong Sai. Number 51, Leo.
Oh, kita mo upaw.
Mondeniedo. Number 15, Encaliado. Number 16, Leone. And number 30, Luka Doncic.
Pikas tayo, sa Pikas.
For White Panthers, number 11, Abatayo. Number 19, Lapadan. Number 72, Plagiosa. Number 2, Onting. And our star MVP, number 06, Piñas ng Pinas. Insert please.
Stupid love.
This game is recognized. Soitong Sai, basketball phenomenal. Kung kinsa tong ganahan mo, sorry, legit ni? At ano yung patanaw ni Kwambi? Ari na lang ako kay 60 ni. Attribute yung ma. Game side! First ball for Leone, accessories. Leone, nagmamali, masyado malakas. Rebound yung Encaliado, good for 2. This game is brought to you by Soitong Sai Basketball Phenomenal. Please like and share. Gusto mo tanaw sa review sa atong duwa, sa atong mga moves, at tala mo sa iyang page ha. 3 seconds.
Binyas, ikilig gamay niya.
Ikilig gamay, stupid lap. Attendance check ta. Leo, tumira ng 3, Mintis. Plagiosa with the rebound. Pass to Binyas ng Pinas. Steal by Leo. Foul. Congratulations sa yellow team kanina na nakadaog. Nice game kayo.
Close game yun.
Plus 20. Luka. No good. Rebound by Leone. Steal by Onting. Nagmamadali. Binyas.
Hala, oy! Hala, oy!
Number 6, Binyas. Leone. Nice fake. Steal by Onting. Onting with a dribble. Onting, tuloy. Onting. 2 points. Robia Onting eh. Napangugod. Kita sa kamera. Maggoyoy. Nice pass, Luka. Foul. First personal foul. Laban tayo. Second team foul. Ay, si Paso na Buslaw. Kita kay kas kamera. Signical karon. First free throw for Luka. No good. Second free throw, good for Luka. We'd like to acknowledge the president of Sir Mingito from Green Jajalea. Mayang gabi, sir. Luka, nice pass to Encaliado, good for 2. Shot out sa itong mga swat to sa. Oh, so itong side, LeBron 21. Luka Doncic, LeBron 21. Onting crossover. Lapadan driving. Score, good for 2 by Lapadan. Shout out sa kong papadre, JR Castro, ang varsity ng Mandawi City at Lapu-Lapu City. Yo, nagawad na dul mo? After dul. Encaliado for 3, bang! Bang!
Kwarta na.
Score, 8-6. Labaw ang Leones. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Nice pass to Binyas. Fadeaway layup. Wala. Encaliado with a rebound. Liga. Iharap. Kapit ko maslahid na kanina. Lapadan. Nagmamadali. Lapadan. Foul. In the first quarter. First personal foul, first team foul. Nice cut by Abatayo, pull up Jay. Bad shot. The baby Morale. Grabe ako, naganda no? Naganda pa eh. Oh, hagoy. Leo mo na din no? kabuyag dito kayo.
Mondeniedo.
Mondeniedo.
Ano nga, Leo M na lang.
Leo M. Iya, kay seryoso kami mo yung... Gawa mapabaw ko na yung iPad. Steal by Luka. Leo again. Nice pass to Luka. Good for two. What a nice drop by Leo. Nice drop. Lapadan. Muntik ng out of bounds. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Onting. Thinking about three. Onting pa rin. Shot clock 10 seconds. Binyas na Pinas. Pass pa tayo. Pull up J. Onting with offensive rebound. Onting. Nice pass but almost steal. Shot clock 10. Onting. Abat tayo.
Sergio.
Nice. What a layup. Up and under. Reverse
dunk.
up and under. So itong side. Pass to Encarado. Driving. Foul. Now, labaw tulo ang Leone. Encallado driving. Encallado good for two. Power move by Encallado. Pero wala to yung power sa JR Castro. Ayo, raga pa ka-power.
Hala, oy! Hala, oy!
Good for two. Gabi ay. Kita na ako ka na ay.
Third down, boy.
Gabi sa kong amigo. Kapag wala lagi kayo nanalagi. Kita'y kontra. Wala. Encallado fake. Encallado. Foul! For penalty. 2 free throws for Encallado. Timeout reserve mga ref. Timeout reserve. Kumasod. Yes. Okay. Kumasod ang ikadiha. Encallado first free throw no good. 5 minutes and 2 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Second free throw for Encallado. Time up! White Panthers. These wipes. Ngayong gabi ka ninyo. Uy, napod akong teammate dito.
Shout out ko no si
Sir Donel Gutovic. Ngayong gabi, sir. Sir Chad Labrada, wapa nang uli. And Tatay Teddy, nasa kilid. Tay, may gabi. Ano rin shout out ang mga nanonood? Back to the ball game. Lapadaan with holding the ball. Binyas. Binyas, pamatay sunog. Sabi ni JR Castro. Nice steal. Look out. Pass break. 2 points by Luka. Shout out. Lumawig. Ngayong gabi from Team Jejelia. Kuyawa ng Jejelio. Kita na audio ng duwa sa Palagsiosa. Wala. Encallado. Leo. Pass to Encallado. Luka.
Shot clock 14.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Loaded driving. Teardrop shot. Wala. Rebound by Encallado. Good for two. Score 2012. Labaw ang Leones. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Pamatay sunog din niya. Wala. Encallado with the rebound. Luka nagmamadali. Luka good for two. Grabe yan eh. Sila niya kong Libro 21 eh. Para kusugay bagan. Nice pass by Encallado. Binyas ng Pinas. Foul. 3 minutes and 32 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Lapadan driving. Steal by Leo. Encallado head. Encallado sure ball. 2 points. Abatayo. Onting guarded by Encallado.
Hindi ka daw watong nga ano.
Steal again. Encallado, easy layup.
Binyas.
Score 26-12. 3 minutes remaining. Asa di fish off day? O magato ng luod ka? Lapadan.
Shot clock 10.
Shot clock 10. Binyas. Palagsosa. Uy. Wow, jud mo. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Oras. Palagyosa, 2 free throws. First free throw for Sir Palagyosa, good. Second free throw for Sir Palagyosa. Shout out Sir Mingito. May gabi sir. The 3-pointer. Second free throw for Palagyosa, good. Murag leaning na ba yun? Or kon? Leaning na? Antare Incaliano for 3. Review nga ni mo tuloy. Gahi nang juga nga tuloy. Lapadan. Pero kita na orang mo ni Binyas, shot clock 15.
So ito isa, tulo na pa.
Kinsay foul.
Tulo na.
Penalty. Aba tayo. Nagnang na. Miss Binyas.
Hala, oy!
Grabe ay. Pakpak ko mga legal wife. Wala lagi legal wife lagi.
Stupid love.
Ayaw. Grabe. For 3, wala. Onting with the rebound. Onting, pass to Palagyosa. Two points by Sir Leo. Bisir ka nga eh. Onting. 2 minutes na yun. Oh. Di, inyo hama to shot. Pwede na time out. Time out. Time out! Leones Accessories. This time out is brought to you by Leones Accessories.
Marky.
Wala marki ron. So itong say, Galiano, bullet pass. 3! Grabe yun, bayo. Naduti mo doon. Wow, ka na rin mong kandol. Butang samot. 34-16 ang score. Binyas, nice pass. Steal. Leo, good for 2.
Olo.
Lapadan, lumulusot. Steal again. Abatayo with a steal. Lapadan, wala, Palagyosa. 2 points by Sir Joe Palagyosa. 42 seconds, first quarter. So itong side. Wala, masyadong malakas. Leo with the rebound. 30 seconds.
Shot clock 10.
Shot clock 10. Incaliano. Masyadong malakas.
Balik!
Mintes na Binyas. Nice pass. Kaya mo, induta tato eh. Out of bounds.
Unsi. 10.
10.
Sa.
And the first score 38-18
Smart Sasoy.
in favor of Leones DA Accessories. Hagosalem, Torato, Binyas, rebound by Hagosalem,
Bisa na sa. Pimay. Napo na kita ba?
foul.
Tapos sa trabaho nila po daw og dami.
Number 17, 16 ay. Sorry rep. Number 16, Leone. First personal foul. Second free throw for Hagosalem. Second free throw short. Rebound by De La Torre. Bartolaba, nagmamadali. Double dribble. We would like to acknowledge the arrival. Nabot yun ang star.
Tumbling.
Tumbling me, entrance me. Onting, pass to Tatay Torato. Guarded by Bartolaba. Nice pass to Lapadan.
Kaya ka taga.
short. Rebound by Leone. Short side. De La Torre. Foul. First free throw for De La Torre. No good. Second free throw for De La Torre. Good for De La Torre. Shout out sa itong mga bata nga player kanina. Nakakadaog. Dong, pag-ilis mo dong para di mo kuhan nun. Binyas. Huwag ka mong singot. Powder with the rebound. Pass to Bartolaba. Bartolaba. Killing the time. De La Torre slicing the D. 2 points by De La Torre. Grabihay. Napatabag upat. Lapadan. Lapadan, pull up jumper, good for 2. Pag-ilis mo dong, para di mo maugag singot. Future star na mo diri. So itong Sai, Bartolaba, pull up jumper, masyado malakas. Lapadan with the rebound. Lapadan, 4 versus 1. Lapadan, 2 points. Grabihay, mo maninipakta ni mo gahapon. Di nila. Dili na to isgutan rin kaya magsakit to. So itong Sai. Nice pass to De La Torre. De La Torre, nice fake. 2 points by De La Torre. Grabihay. Kuha ka to, sir. Tarawa to ninyo. Lapadan. Lapadan. Foul. Number 13, short of side, warning for disqualification.
Sa iyo ha, wag sapatos.
Di, suot na. Wala man, third quarter man dyan ang kuhan. First free throw for Lapadan, no good. Oh, di siyang saban. Kuyawa sa unang throw mo. Second free throw for Lapadan, wala. Paunel. Bartolaba. Bartolaba for 3. Masyal malakas. Rebound by Leone. Lapadan. Good for 2. Grabiha sir. Hustle hard. Shot out, Tatay Sinok, nasa kilid.
Shot.
4-3 Paunel. Mga buing sila eh. Torato. Nice pass to Onting. Onting driving. Onting. Block by De La Torre. Rebound by Bartolaba. Kayo talayuan eh. Patuloy na ito kang maybe. Dito ka anana o. Kopri kayo. Lapadan. Pass to Onting. Onting naghanap ng papasahan. Pinasa kay Binyas. Almost steal.
Good, 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 good.
Onting. Shot clock.
Shot clock 5.
5.
Sige!
Leone with the rebound. Bartolaba. Paunel. Reserve time out ref. Torato. Leone. Bartolaba. 5 minutes remaining in the second quarter.
Yang partner.
Time out. White Panthers. This time out is brought by 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Binyas driving. Binyas. Foul number 16, third team foul. Youngest accessories. First free throw for Vinyas is good. Grabe, ay pakpak ko mga legal wife. Legal wife. Padre ba? Second free throw, good for Vinyas.
Ayaw pagkapos.
Mundong, pag-ilis mo uniform, Mundong, ayaw mo paugasin mo at future pa mo dito sa Samira. Soy Tongsay.
Kaya pa rin sa una.
Soy Tongsay killing the ball.
Dagan mo na karo. Sa una, di na.
De La Torre.
Shot like 10. Say!
3 seconds. Bata sa naabot. MK Gisadjo. Grabiho. Shoelace timeout. Torato. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Almost still by Soy Tongsay. Hapit lang mo pa. Torato. Masyado malakas. Rebound by Torato again. Igo ko ni Gapon. Jaco Salem.
Shot like 5.
4.
2, 1. Take. Yun wag Gapon na shot.
Ayaw kanta.
Sorry, ako kakuan.
Buzzer.
Uy mo. De La Torre. Nice pass to Leone. Block by Lapadan. Rebound by Lonting. Lapadan, tuloy-tuloy, good for 2 by Lapadan, gamay na lang. We'd like to encourage the arrival of our building commissioner, Loro Pagolong and Miss First Lady. 14 seconds. Shot clock 10. Steal. And also to our GLB, the electrician, squad manager. Traveling.
Ikaw, sabay ang mga orang. So, dire
Soy Tongsay, 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Gara-gara ay jawab.
Soy Tongsay with the new shoes. Bartolaba, shot clock 14 seconds.
Shot like 10.
10. Leone.
Shot like
5.
5. Kwarta. Yung
Short. Lapadan. Up and under. Good for 2. 3 na lang. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Soy Tongsay guarded by Jaco Salem. Soy Tongsay driving. Steal by Torato.
ikaw direct mo.
Jaco Salem. Foul! Basket count by Lapadan. Grabe, halapad ka eh.
Yeah, tapad.
Tayo kika-train na tayo.
Foul number 33 De La Torre. Bonus free throw for Lapadan. Lapadan, bonus free throw is good. Napo na Labaw.
Mayroon pa.
Shout out sa itong mga future star, MK.
Cookie like cookie. Cookie.
Tintin Cookie. Nanihong na ko din, nanihong. O sira sa kandap. Still by On Ting. Torato. 3 seconds violation. Sayang ka shot rabata. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Ha? Nabungol. 1 minute and 20 seconds running in the second quarter.
Shot clock 14.
Shot clock 14. Sila lang. Seconds. 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Shot clock 10.
Shot clock 10. De La Torre. Steal by Vinyas. Lapadan. Lapadan. Good for 2. 50 seconds remaining.
Yahamatan na. Di sakto na pagkabahay kay pero makapasta na ba? Di nakakakuha ng kasi. Muna lang hindi ko.
Foul number 8, Hapo Saler. First personal foul, second team foul for White Panthers. Soy Ronzal holding the ball, killing the time. Shot clock 14 seconds, 14 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining in the shot clock. Yone, foul. 33 seconds, penalty. Huh? Yone first free throw. Yone free throw is good. Second free throw for Mr. Yone. The multi-club manager. Jelby, the electrician manager, Vico Varsity. Torato with the rebound. 25 seconds. Binyas for 3. Baby! Grabe ay, asa man legal wife ano eh? Natog ang legal wife, Paonel. 15 seconds. Foul. Personal foul. Warning for penalty. 11 seconds. No more shot clock. Dilatori, wala. Lone with the rebound. Lone! Good for 2.
1.
And in the first half, score 46. Lone BA Accessories. Good day. White Panthers. This game is brought to by Soitong Side Basketball Terminal. Kung gusto nyo mutanaw sa mga review sa atong duwa, sa atong mga moves, please like and share sa YouTube channel and Facebook page, Soitong Side Basketball Terminal. Grabiha, Soy. Wajod, Soy?
Bihay. Naong na. Cookie.
Soy, hindi na tagad pag-announce. Wajod?
Tilapi.
Music, Maestro.
Bay, wala yung plaza, parehas la balo.
To the court, White Panthers.
Bola orange.
Bola sa orange.
Bali na.
Ibali na.
Ayaw, sila. Ulang mo bilhin ni Larry. Tuhar lagi wala lagi si Larry, isulat lagi wala lagi. Wala lagi. Kay.
Nah.
Guys, si Larry mo bilhin ul sa korte ko. Kung gabi. Ha? Isa ka pila ni Mular. Ano? Isa ka point. Isa man. Balikan video.
Leo.
Aro.
Oh, pau dugo.
Second free throw for Leo. Grabe yung box out eh.
Sandra.
Yone with the rebound. Driving, nice pass for Yone. O'Neal, shot clock 10.
Shot.
El Gallardo, wala. Rebound by Yone. Leo. Torato. Lapadan.
Shot clock 15.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
10. Shot clock 10.
10. Nice pass. (38-46). Sakto. 9 minutes remaining, third quarter. Wala, rebound by Sir Joey Paligjosa. Foul.
Kasi daw pagkapon.
Lapadan ng dadala ng bola. Guarded by Leo. Pass to Binyas. Binyas fake, driving.
Midget.
Binyas, wala. Incalyado with the rebound. Incalyado ng Magmadali. Nice pass. 2 points by Luca. Grabe ha, MVP ni Karod. 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Lapadan. Out of bounds. Nakuha na sa labaw. Out of bounds.
17.
17 shot clock.
Asa na di? Ha? Asa na?
Palagsosa. Rebound by Italiano. Steal. Fish off. Nice pass to Lapadan. Lapadan. Good for 2. Grabe high. 40-48. Fish off. Gihangak na. Leo. Pass to Luca. Luca for 3. Short. Rebound by Italiano. Put back. Good for 2. Bahian eh. Porrato. Vinyas. Nilapit. Pull up. Wala. Rebound by Italiano again. Incaliano nagmamadali. Incaliano, wala pa rin. Put back by Incaliano. Good for 2. Probiho. Uy. Steve Loca. Nice. Leo. Good for 2. Ego kamay.
Sinango.
Vinyas. Nagdadala ng bola. Nice pass to Palagsosa. Wala malosoy. Leo. Incaliano. Nagmamadali. Substitution. Lapadan out. Abatayo in. Blocking foul number 19. Substitution. Luca out. Number 19, Lapadan. Incaliano. Good for 2. Number 6, Vinyas. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Eugene Abatayo. Foul number Porrato. We'd like to acknowledge the arrival of Arlan Sino. Algans, pull up, jumper. Grabe ha, baby moral di. Gahian na niya eh. Leo. 3 points. Wala. Rebound by Algans sa Batayo. Leon, wala gapon. Third personal foul number 11 na Batayo.
13.
Shot clock 14. 4, 2. Palagsosa, good for 2. Leo. Vinyas, pass to Algas sa Batayo. Black by De La Torre. Porrato, jumper, good for 2. Nice pass by Abatayo.
4 seconds.
6 minutes and 22 seconds. Incaliano.
Dali ka so.
Vinyas, wala. Abatayo again with the rebound. Abatayo, the baby Moraldi.
Way muli ha.
Incaliado driving. Rebound by Torato. Binyas. Binyas na Pias. Good for 2.
Foul.
50-58. Tuloy na lang. Personal foul. Fish off. Fish off. Incaliado. Offensive rebound. Foul. Substitution.
Hindi ka pwede bay. Marshal ka ba? Hindi ka pwede.
Number 6, Vinyas, holding the ball. Labaw rin na po, ha? Napora labaw. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. 4 minutes.
One break.
Foul number 777. First free throw for Leo is good. Number 51, Leo, good for 2. 62-50. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Palagsiosa. Mondiniedo. Lapadan. Pass to Tatay Torato. Torato, wala gapon. Incaliado. First free throw for Incaliado, no good. Duha. Last free throw for Incaliado. Wala. Incaliado, good for 1 free throw. Torato. Cancel. Binyas. Lapadan. Palagsiosa. De la Torre. Binyas. Nagdadala ng bola. Palagsiosa. Binyas. Slicing the defense. Binyas. Good for 2 by Binyas. Robioy. Kugros Aramontos.
Duha na lang.
Sangogan ba kayo?
Direct ko iso-iso ko. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Incaliado, first free throw. Good.
Bala.
Incaliado, second free throw, good. Torato, nagdadala ng bola. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. 2 points by Palagsiosa.
Graduate.
Seconds. Incaliado, first free throw is good. Second free throw for Incaliado. Walay problema. 70-54. Labaw 16. Lapadan. Namadali. Out of bounds. Same ball.
Bay, dikunta na ba? Ibang na ba yap?
Pogi. Lapadan. Pull up jumper. Grabe halapadan eh. Kulot. Ayaw kapakalik. Matullo dyan mo.
Bate na.
Paonel for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Paonel for 3. Lapadan. Palagsiosa. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. Binyas pull up jumper. What a nice tip-in by Palagsiosa. Kuya Watoy. First start. Encallado. Hand time. Good for 2. Grabe hoy.
Kain na.
Lapadan. Guarded by Paunel. Pull up J.
Wala, luya na. Di na kayo green. Yun ah.
Diri dungadong. Diri ba?
Time out. Reserve time out. Orange ha.
Lagi, gamay.
Paunel. Paunel for 3 again. Wala. Rebound by Leo. Nice pass to Paunel. Paunel driving. Wala. De La Torre with our putback. Wala. Putback again by De La Torre.
13 na.
Reserve time out. Trepa.
Masyad na rin yung dito.
Lapadan.
Tatlag 14.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Palagsosa. Masyado malakas.
Graduate na.
Kinigo. Kami, kini.
2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Labang di Sunaybi.
Yung power yung right.
Leone first free throw. Wala. Lapadan with a rebound. Three versus 5.
Tatlag 10.
Lapadan, shot clock 10. Rebound by Encallado. Basic. Leone. Wala. Rebound by De La Torre. Look, mag-bus player ko no. Nice pass to Encallado.
Tanag bala.
1 minute and 15 seconds. Lapadan, nice spin, nice pass to Palagsosa. Hangtay ni Binyas, wala. Leo. Palagsosa. For 3, short.
Zero lang.
Encallado. Encallado driving, block. Wala, rebound by Leo. Paunel, masyado malakas. Backcourt violation. 10 seconds. Lapadan.
Kanasa. Kananato nga sa.
5.
Oh,
Low, low, low.
LeBron James 21. Ako Salim. Steal by Bartolaba. Steal by De La Torre. De La Torre. Good for 2. Grabe ay.
Yo. Meron ka naman. Yan, nakakulit is rin.
Ako Salim. Ting.
85.
Aba tayo. Sayang nanay.
Yan, Pauli. Dos atau? Ako ulit.
Oh, dos. Nice drop. De La Torre. Back shot. Technical. Oh, good ball lang, good ball.
Masa score? Loli man, di man pa.
Lapadan, driving. Pass to Jacosalim. Pass to Abatayo. Abatayo. For 2. Wala, good na, good. Shot clock.
Pwede din na pwede mapilo na blikas. Makagubang na squad.
Did goal. Sige.
Highlights.
64 ready, 7 and score. Taonel. Abatayo with the rebound. De La Torre for 2. Onting, nagdadala ng bola. Onting driving.
Dawag mula bay.
Travel. Lifting the ball.
Uli ay.
Luka. Pass to Soy. Shot clock 14. Pull up jumper. Soy. Naka-highlight na Jud. Grabe ay. Lapadan. Abatayo. Steal. Abatayo. Short. Sayang ay. Sunda to ko ba? Luka.
Shooter.
Soy again. Wala. Paunel with the rebound. Patay mo yung oras. Shot clock 10.
Shot clock
5. Abatayo with the rebound. Lapadan. Good for 2. Gamay na lang. 7 minutes and 6 seconds remaining in the last and final quarter.
Shot clock 14.
Shot clock 14. Grabe oh, may low.
Shot clock 10.
Shot clock 10. Out ref. Oy, dead ball na ref oh. Okay. Onting. Wala. Abatayo with the rebound. Abatayo. Onting with the rebound. Onting. Good for 2.
Hindi amo kontra.
6 minutes and 18 seconds. So itong side.
Shot clock 10.
Shot clock 10 seconds. Luka, masyado malakas. Out of bounds.
Di kuan man tato overtime. Di stop.
Acosta-Len.
Kuan yung time for seconds.
Dribbling the ball. Pass to Lapadan. 3 seconds violation. 5 minutes. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Sir Joe Palagjosa. Lapadan. Traveling. 5 minutes and 7 seconds. Paunil. Out of bounds. Bola. Acosta-Len.
Mababa ng kibot.
Number 72, Palagjosa. Masyado malakas. Number 72 with the rebound. Masyado malakas pa rin. Onting with the rebound. Onting. What a nice pass to Sir Joe. Walang ihapon. 10. Tawag ka 10. Kung nakita.
Sugom gito niya sa pakuan ko nadakpan ako.
Second free throw for Palagjosa. Good. Milo. Mga ano ba doon? Wala kakasuwayan na doon? Sir Taunel for 3. Wala. Rebound by Luka. Grabe yung Lukoy. Grabe yung rebound. Luka. Good for 2. Ponting. Nice pass to Abatayo, nilabas. Nilabasan. Hala, kusuga.
Tog.
Out of bounds. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Shot Luka. Ponting. Nice pass. Ay, masyado malakas. Hinay lang. Lapadan, fake. Palagsiosa. 72-93. Palagsiosa with the steal. Palagsiosa, dunk. Masyado malakas. Jacosalem, wala. De La Torre with the rebound. Abatayo with the steal.
Kaya amigo. Paul Soy.
Traveling.
Pambukan sa. Low, 93. Ay, pildo.
So, Dren.
Ara.
Dren, so, 2 points na lang. Best player ka. Yung mga team-up.
Bartolaba, 2 minutes remaining and 50 seconds. Good for 3 by Bartolaba.
Wapay board, lahos.
Mo-team-up.
No, nice pass. Steal lang.
Low.
Tiyawa.
Pat dia mangkuan, pat dia manglangok.
Low. Labo.
Lapadan, easy. Tipikal yan tayo pa? Di mo time out? Di mo time out?
Sigara.
Steal.
Huwag ka maluyar lang eh.
Time out, time out. Pwede.
Mana, tagay kusa.
Kuya, referee ang lamisa. Bartolaba driving. Bartolaba! Terbiya Bartolaba eh. Insert Bartolaba, insert. Ponting, wala Abatayo, loses the handle. Palagsiosa with a steal, walang yapon, wala sa Sir Joey. Palagsiosa. Luhod na ng referee dong. Rebound by De La Torre. Nice pass to Soy Tongsay. Grabe yung wajah mag-grabe ni Tawhana. First free throw for Soy Tongsay is good. Second free throw for Soy Tongsay. Grabe high. Lagi partida. 4 calls sa first half. Wajah nag-graduate. Lapadan. Wala. Rebound by Palagsiosa. Traveling by Sergio.
Apa sila?
Soy Tongsay may hawak ng bola. 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining in the first and final quarter. Forte. Soy Tongsay. Grabe ang highlights. Ay! Happy na time. May pang reels.
Sergio.
Sure ka? Migo, wala.
Migo, bunali Migo.
3 threes. Abatayo, wala lagi kaya lagi. O, na-shot dito. Paunil. 4-3. Bye-bye! Grabe yung Paunil eh. White out signal, sir.
Lamang na, may buinas pa.
Lapada driving for 25 seconds. Hakosalem steal. Grabe yung karong pa dyan nakabuto 106. 13 seconds. 10. Biyay, gikuot ka na eh.
3, 2, 1.
Good for Hakasalem. Upper. Counted.
Nice one!
Nice game between Lunes DA Accessories and White Panthers. Congratulations, Lunes DA Accessories.